Are we alone in the universe? For as long as humans have been able to look up at the night sky, we have asked the same question again and again. Are we alone? At first it sounded like philosophy. Then it became religion. And eventually it became science. But what if the universe has already answered, and we simply did not understand the reply? Tonight, we are not asking whether aliens exist. We are asking something far more unsettling. What if the universe has been trying to communicate with us, and we have been listening without realizing it? For decades, powerful radio telescopes have been scanning the sky, not searching for planets, not searching for stars, but searching for patterns. Patterns that should not exist. Signals that should not be there. Whispers coming from the dark. This is the story of the most puzzling extraterrestrial signals ever detected. Signals that challenge our understanding of physics, of intelligence, and of our place in the cosmos. And by the end of this journey, you may no longer feel that the universe is silent. In the early 20th century, scientists made a quiet but revolutionary discovery. The universe is not silent. Space is filled with radio waves, emitted by stars, by galaxies, by energetic events so violent, they bend the fabric of space-time itself. At first, this cosmic noise seemed random, chaotic. Meaningless is less than Haitian. One hash is greater than. But humans have always been pattern-seeking creatures. We learned that radio waves can travel enormous distances, farther than light in many practical situations, and without much loss of information. If humans use radio waves to communicate, then any advanced civilization might do the same. This simple idea gave birth to one of the most ambitious scientific efforts in history: the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Not by sending messages, but by listening. Listening carefully, patiently, for anything that does not belong. In the 1960s, the first systematic listening programs began. Massive radio telescopes were pointed toward the stars, not at random, but toward regions where life might exist. The frequencies chosen were not arbitrary. Scientists focused on a narrow range of radio frequencies, known as the water hole, a quiet region of the radio spectrum, between emissions from hydrogen and hydroxyl. Water, the foundation of life on Earth. If another civilization wanted to announce itself, this would be the most logical place to speak. For years, nothing happened. Just static, noise, cosmic background. Until one night, everything changed. In 1977, a radio telescope in Ohio recorded something extraordinary. A signal, strong, narrowband, precisely at the frequency scientists had been monitoring. It lasted 72 seconds as less than #0. 7 hash is greater than the exact amount of time the telescope could observe a fixed point in space. Then, it vanished, never to be seen again. The astronomer reviewing the data circled the signal on the printout and wrote a single word beside it: wow. The wow signal did not behave like a natural source. It did not look like a star, or a planet, or a cloud of gas. It looked intentional. But without repetition, science could not confirm it. And so the signal was archived, debated, argued over. A ghost in the data. To this day, No explanation fully satisfies every detail. And the question remains, if that was not a message, then what was it? As technology improved, our ears grew sharper. Radio telescopes became more sensitive, able to detect signals from billions of light years away. And then, we began detecting something even stranger. Fast radio bursts. These were not long signals, but incredibly brief flashes of radio energy, lasting only milliseconds. Yet in that instant, they released more energy than the sun emits in days. At first, scientists assumed they were natural, exotic astrophysical events, perhaps neutron stars, or magnetars, or black holes interacting with surrounding matter. But then, something unexpected happened. Some of these bursts repeated, not randomly, but from the same location. Again, and again is less than has shown. 1 hash is greater than a cosmic lighthouse, blinking across the universe. Repetition changes everything. Nature can be violent, but it is rarely precise. When signals repeat, especially with structure, scientists pay attention. Some repeating fast radio bursts appear to follow cycles, active for weeks, then silent for months. Others show complex polarization, twisting their signals as they pass through extreme magnetic fields. The environments producing them are among the most extreme known. But even then, not all characteristics are explained. And in science, what cannot be explained demands deeper scrutiny. Could these signals be technological? Not messages, but byproducts. Energy leaks from advanced civilizations, power systems on a scale we cannot yet imagine. To us, they would appear as unexplained bursts, like hearing the hum of a distant city without seeing its lights. This leads us to a deeply uncomfortable idea. Perhaps extraterrestrial intelligence is not trying to talk to us. Perhaps we are simply overhearing something we were never meant to hear. Human radio emissions leak into space, but they weaken rapidly. Within a few light years, they dissolve into background noise. If another civilization exists, older than ours, more advanced, their technological footprint could be vastly different. They may not use radio the way we do. They may communicate using physics we barely understand is less than has shown. 3 hash is greater than or. They may not communicate at all. What if intelligence does not seek contact, but efficiency? Imagine a civilization millions of years older than humanity. Their technology would appear magical to us. Their motivations incomprehensible. They might not broadcast greetings. They might not care who is listening. Their signals could be automated, ancient, still echoing long after their creators are gone. Or they may exist in forms that do not resemble life as we know it. Artificial intelligence, planet-scale computation, stellar engineering. In that context, a strange radio signal is not a message. It is a footprint. This reframes the entire question. We are not asking, are we alone? We are asking, are we capable of recognizing intelligence when it does not look like us? Throughout history, humans have failed this test repeatedly. We did not recognize intelligence in animals. Until recently, we struggled to recognize intelligence in other humans. who looked or lived differently. So why would we assume we could instantly recognize alien intelligence? Especially if it operates on cosmic timescales. There is another possibility, one that is both hopeful and terrifying. The universe could be full of signals, and we are simply listening incorrectly. Our instruments are tuned to assumptions based on human technology. What if the signal is not in radio waves is less than #0, 7# is greater than, but in neutrinos, or gravitational waves, or subtle modulations of cosmic background radiation? What if the universe is speaking in a language we have not yet learned? Every advancement in astronomy has revealed something unexpected. We discovered planets around other stars. When we once thought our solar system was unique, we discovered galaxies beyond our own. When we thought the Milky Way was everything, now we stand at the edge of another possible revelation. Not proof, not confirmation, but possibility. And possibility is dangerous, because once you accept it, you can never return to believing the universe is empty. If one confirmed extraterrestrial signal is ever verified, the consequences would be immediate. Humanity would no longer be the sole known intelligence. Our philosophies would shift. Our religions would adapt. Our understanding of life would expand. But perhaps the most profound change would be internal. We would no longer be at the center. We would be part of something larger, older, and far more complex. For now, the signals remain unexplained. They are cataloged, analyzed, argued over. Science continues to listen, quietly, patiently. And every night, as telescopes turn toward the stars, they hear the same thing. The universe is not silent. The question is not, are we alone? The question is, if the universe is speaking, are we finally ready to understand what it is saying? Follow the channel for the next story.